How are we, guys? Bike Spares Australia here. We have a new bike in for wrecking, the Trident. It's a 2021. This one's obviously had a hard hit at the front. None of that steering or anything's going to be good on this one. Frame's damaged, radiator's damaged. This particular bike does start and run. Started it up real quick and given it a test, even though she's got no coolant, so we can't leave it running too long. This one has keys, so we've got a lock set. We're going to basically be getting mainly electrical out of this bike. Poor bugger's had a pretty hard hit at the front here, unfortunately. Smashed the rim, bent the forks, triple tree, split the frame as well. I'm not sure if you can see in here, split the frame. We're all good though. We'll get the electrical out, get everything tested. Motor does start and run, as I said as well. Back end of the bike is fine, no damage at all. We'll spin that rear wheel up and see if she's straight. Obviously we only list everything after it's been checked and tested. All the parts will be up on our website, bikesparesaustralia.com, shortly. Thanks.